welcome to beautiful North Star Resort in California. We are here for Dirt Demo. There's a lot of great companies demoing their bikes. What we're gonna give you today is a little bit behind the scenes with some demo truck drivers.
Quentin Spalding,
Kalen, Gravy,
Butch Balzano,
Tony Smith,
Chris Tembeck,
Dan Large,
Troy from Fox.
They live a really interesting life. They live on the road, they live out of these vans, they see a ton of people. So we're gonna figure out a little bit what's behind the curtains. How long are you on the road at one time?
it's probably 5 to 6 weeks.
150 to 200 days a year.
sometimes it's months, sometimes it's half the year.
We do about 11 months on the road at a time, and then we get a month off at the end of the year.
Favorite part about being on the road?
Favorite part about being on the road is just checking out new places that I necessarily wouldn't check out on my own.
We love interacting with the people that race bikes and ride bikes, and
People that do this stuff are out here to have a good time, and so we just try and give it back.
You know, that's probably the best part. It's just the connections and the people.
What about your least favorite part about being on the road?
being on the road and away from my wife and family. But yeah,
Driving long, extended period of time can be mundane.
I don't want to sleep in vans, dude. I'm too old for that. Way too old for that now.
Oh man, I got a dog and I can't take him on the road with me, so missing the dog is probably
bummer.
the least favorite thing, but it's always rad getting home and reuniting. Yeah.
Most bizarre repair you've ever had to do in the field?
Going to a shop, borrowing a tool, taking it back someplace and rethreading a bottom bracket. And it was actually probably one of your tools.
We wired a chain together.
Oh wow.
and I got a call from a guy who's got a flat front. I pull his tire off. He doesn't even have a rim strip. He got 18 miles with no rim strip. I'm like, how did you even get this far?
A certain brand of downhill bike, we had to put water and grass in their tubes back in the 90s so that they could just finish their training runs.
Stick inside a broken handlebar to finish World Championship race. Got some points for the team, US of A.
What's your favorite park tool?
My favorite park tool is my 50th anniversary tri-wrench that has my name on it.
Favorite park tool? Man, I have so many, but I'd probably say my TS2, which I've had forever and built hundreds of wheels on. Still use it every day. It's just fantastic.
I use your cable cutters all the time, so I would say cable cutters, and for all our internal routing needs, this is a must-have.
Yeah, probably the disc brake facing equipment. Now that it's flat mount compatible, and it's the best value,
Probably their Allen wrenches.
Which one? There's like a 456?
The 456, the best. And then, of course, your T-handles.
This is, if you guys don't know what this is a classic AWS.
Yes. 5mm pays my bills.
Cool. If you were going to give an aspiring person who wanted to kind of get into the bike industry, what would be a suggestion to them?
Well, to get in the industry, I think, is you have to surround yourself with it however possible. So be prepared to donate your time for nothing, to try and prove to people that you're worth money, basically, to be worth something that they would want. And then eventually it all comes, you just dream the dream and it appears.
All right, and that's all from Dirt Demo out here at North Star Resort. Thanks to all the mechanics we chatted with. We really appreciate it. We know you guys are busy people, and we'll see you guys again in the pits.